Hey everybody, Brad here. Hey, change pace today. MyWay shop over here. Things are sitting still over there. And yeah, this is another, my business shop over there with some of my junk obviously hovering over there. Sorry I'm a little shaky, I've been picking up sticks and stuff here and a little bit like work. The old Honda I run in here and our ugly little trailer, and just picking up debris around, trying to clean up my 5-acre lot here, my lagoon. I got that all leveled out and everything last year. There were mounds of dirt everywhere here. Flattened that all out, making some progress, but of course then the weeds want to grow up. That was all out back, especially just like 5-foot high thistles, so I don't know, I've knocked it down, but I'm gonna have to get some pesticides or something that takes care of that thistle. I don't think it's a good thing to leave it going. So I'm working on my fire. We yesterday we had 6 or 7 trees sitting right over there where all that tall stuff is left, and so I got a bobcat with the grapple and I just picked them up. Actually one of them was so damn heavy I was tipping my, well, I did tip the bobcat forward, kind of had to drag it. Yeah, it was sort of a deal, but big trees. And you see the pile there and what's left of my fire from last night there, so I'm trying to stoke that right now. It was just pouring rain, like really pouring rain, not more than 5-10 minutes ago. As you can see, the skies aren't great. I mean, they are gray, not great. Yeah, anyway, this is where we are today. We'll be in the shop again later, so everybody stay tuned for more work on the hot rod if there's any interest in that. I don't know. My time kind of going to go into that for a little bit. I'd like to get the wiring on it and get that motor that's in there to run. Of course, along with that, I should probably have the brakes hooked up and a couple things. So, you know, I'm on my way to doing all that. And yeah, if you guys want to follow along while I do, I'll try to give informative information and everything. But, you know, sometimes I just tend to do my work without taping or thinking of any of that. But here's our old quad. She's an old 300. My dad had this since new, I guess. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he bought it brand new. And my dad's passed in 09 actually, and I think this is a 1990, if I remember right, 90 or 91. Yeah, anyway, not new by any means, but it just purrs. I'm sure you can hear it, and it's always been kept inside and everything. It's had some rough use too, but not to wreck it, right? Yeah. Okay, so that's what I'm up to today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully we can do something that you guys get interested in eventually. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Take care. Hey everybody, I'm back for a few minutes just to show you the progress I made. I'm working on a pile over there that I don't have finished yet. I have to rustle that with my bobcat a little on the forks maybe just to get at it better. But no, I got a lot cleaned up. I still have a few small pieces here left, and you know, all this wood to burn, but been burning away at it. As you can see, things look a little tidier around here. The wood pile is actually shrinking again. Still a pretty big pile of wood there. Still quite a bit of wood. They're pretty big blocks. So I'm gonna try and give some of it away, I guess, instead of just burning it all. There's lots more. There's lots more here. I'm gonna take down some more of these big, tall, skinny ones that are dead and such. I don't know why I didn't take them all down at the start, but that's what it is anyway. So the Ponderosa, working away slowly at it so that hopefully in the future it's all less maintenance and just easy to mow and that. I mean, it's a big area, but as long as it's smooth and easy to mow, I'll be happy with that. Sit on my mower with a beverage or whatever, it's all good. As long as I'm not running over big boulders and, whoa, having big potholes in the ground and stuff like we do right now. Anyway, thanks for listening, and here's our fire, and maybe we'll check in with you in a few days and we'll see where we are with progress on this pile of wood. Okay, thanks everybody. Have a good night. Be safe with COVID. Everybody should still be doing best distancing possible. And yeah, I'm home all the time, so it's my life. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Brad at the MyWay shop and my dog Bear. Hey, how's it going? Good to see y'all. Okay, so this is a week later. As you can see, the pile of wood is gone. Well, there's a little remnants left there. Got a little rainy on us and I didn't come out the one afternoon or whatever evening, and I was finishing up this little bit of stuff over here, these 3-4 pieces, and I had a hold of the one there, the largest one, with my grapple, and I was cutting a branch, big branch, off of one of the pieces there, and ended up trying to cut steel on my grapple with the saw, and of course that didn't do any good for the saw. I tried to sharpen it, but no, that chain is toast, and I've been forgetting to pick a new one up, so that's been a few days. Today is a week after we lit the fire initially there, burning up the 6 or 7 trees that we had laying here on our lagoon bank for the past few years. So pretty much the end of the project. Thought I'd give everybody an update. We'll be back in the MyWay shop working on the hot rod and things like that coming up, so everybody could stay tuned and like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to you all. Thanks for being devoted, anybody that is watching. Okay, have a good day. Good night. Bye.